Talagang sumasagot ang Diyos sa panalangin. Makikita na unti-unti nang lumalakas si Chris Aquino at marami ang natutuwa na makita siyang lumabas ulit at maging maayos na ang katawan. Sa kanyang latest na kwento, ipinakita ni Chris na kasama niya ang dalawang anak na sina Joshua at Bimby at nasa isang microtel sila. Ayon kay Chris, enjoy niya ang lugar na ito dahil malapit sa mga places na kailangan niya tulad ng bangko, grocery stores, gasoline station at marami pang iba. Narito ang kanyang kwentong talaga namang makikitang very excited ang Queen of All Media. Our mom had already died and I remember taking so many rides with Alvin all over the Philippines. I am no economist but nasabi ko kay Alvin, prosperous and obviously maganda ang trabaho ni Mayor at lalo na ni Gov. Kung may nadaanan kaming BDO, Union Bank or East West na yung ATM at least 2 and mailaw. Petron na maraming gasoline pumps. Starbucks, McDonald's, and Jollibee face-to-face, and even better if there was Max's Fried Chicken. These days, most celebrations are held in Max. Several Japanese and Korean plus a European car dealerships. We love our Kia Carnival. My wish is to climb our Toyota Gandia Elite with no assistance. My nurse inside to pull me up and Bim to push me. Super struggle and for a few days painful my knees and my lower back. Nag-iipon ngayon for the test vehicle for BMW, alaga these cars and less than 2,000 km ang tinakbo. Maraming Western Union, large, reputable hospitals either owned by multi-billion conglomerates, doctors and cities in partnership with doctors, a university that has produced top 10 graduates in any of the courses that need a certificate. It's obvious this is a list that has evolved. From experienced 24-hour gas stations with a 7-Eleven and clean restrooms are a blessing. Strong water pressure in smaller hotels. SM and Robinson's malls, Wilcon Depot, maraming Mercury and Watsons, several subdivisions and multi-use developments, and well-planned Memorial Park. And dapat malakas ang cell signal and PLDT fiber with at least 300 Mbps at home. Lastly, I would tease Alvin, mag-impake na siya ng maleta namin, mag-check ng possible schools for BIM, sped therapy for Kuya, and maghanap ng bahay to rent for us to feel it this is home because nakita ko may SNR. I need my wheelchair, no sun exposure. I bathe seated, yet my checklist on November 13 will have all I need. If you see someone in a colorful mask, an orange wheelchair, shopping for groceries and toilet paper, that's me. Hindi ako snob. My nurse will have ethyl alcohol and a yellow mask if you want the picture. I love SNR. P.S. Noy, your beloved room gets the least light. In heaven, hindi pikon, diba? The two boys and I will sleep there. Your face and your behave, Christina, Joshi, Bim, we miss you. Ilang mga fans naman ni Chris ang sinabing kinabahan sila sa first few words ng kwento ni Chris at buti na lang ay binasa nila ang buong post. Comment ng mga netizens, I really got a heart attack with your first sentence, madam. Akala ko talaga si Bimp ang nag-post, pero sobrang good vibes po makita kayong tatlo. Ang sweet ni Kuya Josh na nakayakap sa'yo. Sana lagi kayong siksikan sa isa't isa. I'm always praying for you, madam. So happy for you, Miss Chris. Keep getting better. We would love to see you back on TV or even hosting your own podcast. Sa bandang huli naman ay prayers pa rin ang patuloy na pinapaabot ng mga netizens para sa tulong paggaling ni Chris Aquino.